Welcome to Sensible Decor. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Today is just a quick video. This is a placeholder video, but it's a home decor video with a quick idea on how to repurpose some items I have around the home. Today I'm using my candle holders that I have collected throughout the season from Christmas and holidays. This one is from Bath and Body Works. Nice heavy jar candle. I have some smaller ones, but today we're just going to work on this big one, show you something quick and easy that you can do with the candle holder. So first you want to clean your candle holder. I'm using some Mod Podge. I'm using some alcohol and some Gooby Gone. So use a little Gooby Gone, get all of the gunk off of it, little alcohol, set it, let it dry for a couple minutes, and then we're going to add some Mod Podge to the candle holder. Just a nice thin coat. You want to make sure that you coat the candle holder from top to bottom, but you want it thin. You don't want it all globbed up or thick or anything like that, because then your glitter is going to chunk up on you. It's going to get real choppy. So a nice thin layer from top to bottom, but you want to cover the entire candle holder. Now these candle holders can be a little bit cumbersome to handle because your hand doesn't fit really well in there. And they're a little bit heavy, but it can be done. Just take your time and add the Mod Podge all the way around your candle holder. Now that you have your Mod Podge on your candle holder, you want to get your glitter. I am using Recollections glitter from Michaels, and I am just going to spread my glitter all over my candle holder, going from top to bottom, from bottom to top, and turning the candle holder as I go to let the excess glitter fall off. While I'm glittering my candle holder, you may see that I have some paper down. I highly suggest that you place some paper down to catch your glitter for a couple reasons. One, it will make cleanup a lot easier, and two, you're able to reclaim the glitter that has fallen off by simply lifting the paper up and pouring the glitter back into your container, and then you can reuse that glitter all over again. Once you have your container totally covered with your first coat, tap it off. Shake off the excess glitter, set your candle holder down, and then you can do your bottom. Again, just another thin coat of Mod Podge, making sure to fully cover the bottom and nice and evenly, and then you can glitter the bottom layer of the bottom of your candle holder. Once you have the glitter on the bottom of your candle holder, you simply lift up the candle holder, shake off the excess glitter. Again, if you have your paper down, you can reclaim that glitter and put it right back into the container. So as you see here, I'm just going to carefully lift it up, give it a couple taps, shake off the excess glitter, and set it down and let this dry for at least, I would say, at least 1 hour. Mod Podge does dry quickly, but a half an hour to an hour is what you're going to need. Once that layer is dry and is dry to the touch, tap off any excess glitter, reclaim it back into your container, and then you're ready to do a second coat the same way. Mod Podge, and then add a coat of glitter. This is a simple and easy craft. It's great for beginners, and it is an excellent way to reuse or repurpose some items that you have right around the house. So now that my candle is dry, I am just going to go ahead and put on a second layer or a second coat of Mod Podge the exact same way. Top to bottom, making sure that I have full coverage, spreading out that Mod Podge so that it's not thick, but that it's a nice, thin, even coat all the way around. So now my second layer of my podge is on my candle holder. I'm just going to go in with another layer of glitter. Trying to be careful, really make sure that I get all of the spots so that I won't have to do a third layer of glitter. Hopefully this will give me full coverage. So it is kind of awkward with these big ones because they're heavy. And your hand doesn't really fit nicely in there, but it can be done. So I'm just about finished glittering with my second coat of glitter, doing the second layer of glitter, and I'm just coming around to the end. And of course, if you want to do a second coat on that bottom, you can do that as well. So now I have my second coat on. I'm just going to tap off the candle jar to shake off any excess glitter. Set it to the side. Reclaim my glitter. Again, put paper down. Otherwise, you're going to have a nasty mess and you're going to waste a lot of glitter. So I'm reclaiming my glitter, putting it right back in the bag. I'm going to let this dry. I'm going to let this dry for about 2 hours. Make sure that it's completely dry. So now that my piece is completely dry, I can move on to the next step, which is to seal the glitter. And I'm using some Duraclear. I got this from Hobby Lobby. You can use Mod Podge. I find that Mod Podge tends to change the final color of my glitter. So I like to use this Duraclear. It's more like a varnish or some kind of varnish. And it's more liquefied. And so as you can see, I have sped up the video, but I'm just covering the entire piece with my Duraclear from top to bottom. You only need a very thin layer. I think I've had this bottle for maybe over a year. You don't need a lot. It reminds me of like a polyurethane or something like that because it's so liquefied. But we're just gonna cover the entire piece, make sure that all of the glitter is sealed in, and then once it dries, we don't have to worry about handling it and glitter falling off or, you know, leaving traces of glitter behind. All of the glitter will be completely sealed in. So I do have a candle taper holder or taper candle holder. I think I'm going to use that. I did get some floral foam from Dollar General. I cut it in half, or I think this one came from Dollar Tree, but I cut it in half so you can probably make 2 candle holders out of 1 piece of floral foam. I just cut it down to size, put it right into my candle holder. Grabbed me a bunch of flowers. I think I got 2 bunches from the Dollar Tree. I cut them off of the bunch, cut them away from the bunch, and then I cut the stems down to the length that I wanted. And I'm just going to place these flowers in my floral foam, and you're going to just cut that down a little bit more so that you don't have a lot of that foam showing. But I do want it to have a little bit of height, so you're going to see here in a minute, I'm going to lift that up because that's a little too low. I want my white to be up a little bit higher as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and what I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other side. Just kind of make it even and come up with a nice floral bouquet. Play around with it until you have it the way that you like it. I did grab some bling wrap. I cut off 1 strip. Or cut off a couple strips, but wasn't sure what I was going to do with it. So I took the flower out, and it looks like I'm just going to try it around the top. I with a little bit of hot glue, just a couple dabs here and there to make it stick. You don't want to burn your glitter. You don't need much of the hot glue. Just to tack it on there. But it's yours, so be creative. You could also embellish this with buttons or studs or rhinestones or something like that. Use what you have around the home. You can be creative to embellish this. Once I have that on and it's nice and even and it's dry, I'm just going to flip this over, and I think I'm going to add that candle taper holder. I don't know what you call those things, but the little taper holder from Dollar General. Well, I don't know why I keep saying Dollar General, from Dollar Tree. But do better than I did. I did not measure. I just eyeballed it just for the purposes of this video. And I just used some hot glue to secure that to my candle holder. If you're going to make this and you want this to be permanent, I would suggest using some E6000 or permanent adhesive. This is just something that I'm whipping together right now for today. And I'm just going to set it on my kitchen table. But it allows me to use the candle holders that I have, and it fits my color scheme, and I think that it'll be really, really cute. So once you have that on, you can flip it back over. The hot glue is going to give you a quick fix. Pop your floral back in there, fluff it up, fix it up, and voila. Look how simple and quick and easy that was. Only cost me a couple dollars for the flowers and the candle taper holder. And the floral foam, which I can also make another one out of. But how cute is that? Use some colors that fit your scheme. I think that I'm going to use that bling wrap and bling it out a little bit more. You can put the bling down on the bottom of the candle holder if you like. Or you can also go along the bottom of your candle holder. But it's yours. Embellish it how you see fit. But how cute is that? Now, this is the candle. This is the jar. This is another one of the jars just to show you how you can go from this to that effortlessly. Pennies on the dollar, y'all. Home decor. Simple and easy. Empty candle jar into a floral arrangement. These are great for weddings. You can use them for baby showers, anything that you need. So be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. I'm going to show you my final outcome after I set it on my kitchen table. But hit the comments. Let me know what you think. Do you throw away your candle jars? Do you find ways to upscale them? You can use these in the bathroom as canisters as well. But I think, like I said, I'm going to upscale mine just a little bit more and jazz it up a little bit more with a little bit more of that bling wrap. And we're going to be done. So I thank you guys for watching the video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. I don't drop videos often, but when I do, I'd be more than happy for you to come along and see what I'm working on. So until we meet again, you guys have a great day and peace.